This is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the developer options on your Android device. So this is rather easy to do. Let's scroll on down from the top and then go to the settings icon right here and select this. Now scroll on down to the bottom of your phone all the way to where it says About Phone and select this. Then go to where it says Software Information. Then go to Build Number and tap this 5 times. On the bottom here, it will say developer mode has already been turned on. So just tap it numerous times and it will give you like a countdown. And when you have this unlocked, go back. And under the main setting menu now here, if we go to where it says About Phone, we can go to developer options and select this. And make sure you turn on, allow development settings, go to OK. And some things under here I do like. Stay awake is a good setting. Screen will never sleep while charging, so you can check mark that. Another one I turned on was USB default configuration all the way down at the bottom. So if you're transferring files over to your computer, this will be the default configuration. Transferring files. This will allow me to drop and drag files from my phone over to my computer. Otherwise, my phone will just think it's charging, or I have to select allow permissions. So you can go through the different menus on here, enable or disable. So look through the list and there may be some more that you actually like. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.